What's up, guys? Sinclair Photos here, and we are back with the final update slash reveal of a car you haven't seen in a couple weeks. Yep, the FRS is done. Let's go pick her up. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm looking at her right now. I'm gonna snake you because we gotta put these headlights on for you. If you remember, I got the new headlights set up. Oh, gotta slide in here. All right. Without further ado, cold start on the FRS. No battery tender needed. And lights. Go on, baby. No lights on the dash. Airlift looking good. Star lights in the roof. Let me show you the version 3 or 4 of the FRS. Hi, Jordan. Take a look at that, ladies and gentlemen. My God, you cannot tell me there is a better looking car on the planet right now. As you know from the last video, we went with the Playboy Amethyst Ash, and this thing looks crazy in dark purple. Holy guacamole. The big Wang gang is back. We did little subtle hints of the Playboy, because this is still the Blue Bunny, just in a different form now. But man, that is mean. I got my center caps on finally after all these years. We're just missing one thing back here, and that is the Rocket Bunny diffuser. After my DMV appointment and I get all that sorted out, we're gonna get a new exhaust and then throw that on, because whoever welded this thing made me like a Frankenstein exhaust. But God, dog, look at that thing. Not gonna lie, y'all, being back in this car after so long is a wild feeling. It's been up at the shop for 2 months. I cannot believe I've owned this car that long already. Oh my goodness. This is wonderful. And everything works. Finally, probably for the first time in its life, everything finally works. I love it. Well, you guys, this is a sight I never thought I would see. The FRS and the R8 are in the garage together. How crazy is that? I left the lights on for y'all. Man, we just gotta get rid of that California plate. And we need some more light in here. So, garage update video coming soon. We got the R8 and the FRS. And now me and Jordan are going to go get some food. So I'll pick this back up. We have a little bit more light and we can take a better look at this thing. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, voiceover Sinclair here because the wind was so brutal, and I'm not going to put you guys through that. But here she is, bro, the Blue Bunny, back in the flesh, not so blue. We're rocking the Playboy Amethyst Ash wrap, and my God, I love my new VLAN headlights so much. I should have got those the first time around. But, man, check out the dang car, aired out, looking beautiful. Let's hop inside and talk some more about it. To avoid any of those issues, we're just going to chill in the car, and I'll give you the whole rundown because, man, am I happy she's back. We'll get the AC cranking here so it's not too hot. But, dude, I cannot believe this car is back and up to 100%. We'll let this tank fill up before we continue. So, basically, the months and months and months we put into this car has finally paid off. It is back to 100%. And my goodness, we basically did a full restoration on this car because in the state it came to us, it was absolutely busted up, a bona fide shit box. And now I feel like I've done a little Sinclair magic and made it show car worthy once again, which I'm pretty happy about. Shout out to everyone that helped in this whole process. Rafe, Eric, Conde, all the boys at Visionary. You guys are the ones that made this possible, and thank you very, very much for bringing my baby back to life. So let's just start out with the obvious new wrap. This is wrapped in Playboy Amethyst Ash from Menozatech, a limited color apparently. They collaborated with Playboy, and I feel like this car, being the bunny and all, I felt like it made pretty cool sense to get that color on this car. Although after living with it for a couple months now, I kind of miss the blue. So I'm not gonna go about changing that just yet, but I feel like blue is pretty iconic on this car, and I definitely got a lot more head turns, I guess, with it being blue. I've never done a dark color like this before, so I didn't really know what to expect. It looks nice, I'll give it that. The wrap job is flawless. It just, I don't know, it doesn't pop out at you as much as the blue does when you're driving down the street. But enough about the wrap. We went top to bottom with this car. Everything is like brand new. The hood and trunk got refurbished. The whole bag setup has been refreshed. We replaced the remote, if you remember in the couple videos. Man, basically the whole suspension setup is new. Got new sway bar links, rotors, pads, axles, bushings, all the stuff that I never ever have dealt with before, we replaced on this car to get it back to being able to drive anytime I want. And that's what I've been doing, man. I've been driving this car almost every day, switching it out when the R8, when the weather's as nice as it is today. But geez, it's been a long time coming, and I just want to thank you guys for sticking around. We have another update coming very, very soon. I kind of spoiled it already, I won't say too much, but the next FRS video you see will be a good one. I actually have that one all edited and everything already, but this one needed to come out first. My God, people have been asking, where's the FRS, for too long. And I'm happy to say, baby, it's back. So if you want to see this thing out at a couple meets, please let me know. A lot of people just want to see the R8 and they don't even know I have this car back. So I'm gonna have to tell them, hey, take a pause on the supercar meets for a while. I gotta bring the old girl back out to these Houston streets. So let me know, want me to bring it out to one of your meets. I'd be more than happy to. And man, I don't even know where we go from here. It's kind of like, I'm just content. The one thing I was kind of thinking about though is swapping out the supercharger or getting rid of it completely, because I feel like it doesn't make that much of a difference on this car. And I would love the Vortec for all the whooshy. And I'm hoping that the trans blows on one of these days, because I'd love to have a manual in this thing. The more that I drive it, the more I feel it needs one. So I know it's all hindsight's 2020. It is what it is. We'll just go roll with the punches as they come. And I'm just gonna enjoy this thing now. It's got 101,982 miles on it. I've dang near put 1,000 more miles on the car since I've got it. And it was sitting for like 3.5 months. It was just sitting. So I'm glad to be able to drive this thing whenever I want. Nothing's gone wrong with it so far, but if anything does, I'll keep you guys updated. This might be a little bit of a shorter one. I might put a montage in here at some point of all the things we've been through to get to this point. But I'm just so thankful that we've been able to do this. Thank you guys for your support. Let me know what you guys want to see next on the channel. I feel like 2025 is going to be a pretty great year, but only time will tell. So if you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.